Today, we're diving into 10 online jobs you can start in 2025, even as a high school or college student. These jobs can pay $15 per hour or more, depending on your experience and attention to detail. Platforms like Upwork, not sponsored, are great for finding gigs, while Fiverr works best for freelancers. Now, let's jump into the list. Data entry. Transfer PDFs to Word, manage Excel sheets, or update product listings. No experience needed, just attention to detail. Social media manager. Help businesses or influencers manage posts, schedules, and strategies on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Social media marketing. Run ads, create email campaigns, and help businesses boost their revenue. Learn platforms like MailChimp for email marketing. Freelance writing. Write emails, landing pages, or articles. If you have niche knowledge, you can earn even more. Virtual assistant. Handle tasks like scheduling, customer support, or data entry for online businesses. Video editing. Edit YouTube, TikTok, or course videos. Learn basics on YouTube and start earning quickly. Graphic design. Use Canva to create social media graphics or banners. For advanced skills, explore Photoshop or Illustrator. Web design. Build websites with platforms like WordPress or Wix. Start simple, then learn more complex tools for higher pay. Teaching English online. Platforms like VIPKid let you teach English to international kids. Flexible hours and fun. Translation. If you're bilingual, offer services to translate ebooks, courses, or documents.